Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel, and today also we have brought you a video regarding how you can know if somebody has viewed your profile. Then I can teach you how you can know about it. But you have to watch the video till the end. Make sure you do that, and do like our video, do subscribe our channel, share this video to your friends who are also curious, and to your family also. And yeah, let's get started. So just go to your TikTok app, and once your app is open, you will just see this profile icon below right corner. Click on that icon, tap on it, and then you have your profile open. Then you will see this 2 footstep icon above your profile on the right side of your name. Just click on that icon, and now you can just check the page is open as a profile view. You can see the people that have viewed your profile easily, and you can just choose to follow them also, or if you're already following them, you can choose the message. Yeah, this is how you can check who has viewed your profile on your TikTok app. I hope this video has helped you. Please do make sure to leave comments below so we can make other videos according to your need. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.